try again.
Ready?
Oh!
Got the best sand hill. We're gonna slide down those bad boys a bit.
Yeah, we are.
Excited.
Is that hard? One step forward, half a step back.
For real, I'm on a break.
Yeah. That was a lot of sand, dude.
That's one shoe. Here's the other.
Well, we're gonna need to be steeper than that.
Yeah.
Maybe we're too fat.
Need to find a steeper hill. Hey. Yeah. Here we go. You went all the way around.
Oh,
Are you okay?
yeah, that hurt my neck some.
That was a badass.
For kids. So far on our channel, we've hiked Caladura Canyon from rim to rim.
We have visited 61 Texas State Parks.
We've hiked the entirety of the Lone Star hiking trail.
Contributed out to a floating campsite, stayed overnight in a really bad thunderstorm.
And now we're about to embark on our biggest adventure yet. We're gonna hike the Appalachian Trail.
2025.
Promise, by the time it's all over, we will start saying Appalachian instead of Appalachian. Well, we're done with the discs.
Got a video game.
Yes. There's a dirt devil.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah. It's right by the highway. Monahans Sandhills State Park.
Very small park, busted my neck, but it was neat. Oh, here comes the car.
We're taking a shot right here because of the backdrop, but you can see the highways right there. That's why it's kind of loud.
It does cool down in the evenings
Oh,
and
yeah.
early morning.
If you want to come play in the sand and get real sandy in your vehicle, come to Monahans Sandhills. That's about it. So until next time, happy trails, y'all.